Hi, I'm Chloe with Centerbeam Construction here in Jacksonville, Florida, and today I'm here to talk to you about one thing that is very important to us, and that is how to keep your home healthy. Now, is that important? Yes, especially in Jacksonville. With our state sunshines, heat, and the humidity that comes with it, it can wreck the exterior of a home, and that is where your exterior home audit comes into play. Now, the goal is simple. You need to catch those simple things earlier so that you don't have expensive big issues later. Now, when you schedule your audit, you're going to get your own very well experienced technician to look all around your house. He's going to be looking at everything, specifically anything wood, and that goes from wood windows to doors to fascia, soffits, trim on your house, siding on your house. It also includes porches. Anything that's wood and has been rotting or has some issues with it and needs to be taken care of to make it look pretty. So think of it like going to the doctor. It's like preventative care, whether it's for your body or your house. If you catch things earlier without going to the doctor, it's going to be less expensive and it's not going to be as large. So the cost of our exterior home audits usually range between $300 and $600, depending on the size of your home. And if you use our services, you'll get 50% of that money back. After the inspection, you will receive an estimate within about a week detailing all the things we found on the front, the back, and the sides of your house. And it's going to tell you everything about your house to make it homey and healthy. Now, if your home could talk, it's going to probably want to check up soon. So give us a call, fill out the form online, and let's get your exterior audit on schedule. See you next time. Bye.